Lost over 220 pounds. I got a food haul. Today's gonna be like the savory edition part, and the next time we'll do the sweet part of this. This is new food finds, okay? So I got these from Thrive Market. Get a lot of my healthy swaps for previous junk food favorites from there. So first up, I got these Twist honey barbecue flavor. They're from Pipcorn. Let's give them a try. These are probably gonna be my husband's. You better hide them from your girl. Not gonna open these. These are my niece's favorite. I got her a bag last time. She needed another bag. I'm gonna have to put this on auto ship. These are Mexican street corn tortilla chips. I know it's tortilla. It's more fun to say tortilla. She loves those. And then I got some Lesser Evil Space Balls. These are Ranch Rocket Chip. Did I say chip? Ship. Sorry, my bad. 2 for good measure. Make it 3. It's interesting. I got roasted red pepper bruschetta. Thought we could do something fun with this. A keto no dairy classic gravy. Do something fun with that too. This is good. Jalapeno sauce. It's a creamy, let's just try it. Creamy jalapeno sauce. I think it's gonna burn me up. We shall see. It smelled spicy. I like that. I mean, it's got a kick to it. Nothing I can't handle though. Thrive Market has good marinara, and I've told you before, their marinara is low sugar, very comparable to Rao's, Rouse, however you want to say it, you do you, boo, but it's good. So I picked me up a jar of that. Anyway, we will do the sweets next. So see you next time.